I asked her to speak of the matter to no one, since my orders were not to speak, but first to write. I felt it was better that way, in any case, because words can be lost in the breeze whereas what is written remains. The days and months passed by, and now the book is finished. All that remains to be done is to publish it. On this subject, Thao had assured me there would be few problems. This was in response to a question I had asked in the spacecraft on our return to Earth. The spacecraft, how many things that word brings to mind. That last evening, on the beach, Thao had pointed out the minuscule star that is the sun that now made me perspire. We had then taken the flying platform and headed for the space base, quickly and without a word being spoken. A spaceship, prepared for immediate departure, awaited us. During our brief journey to the base, I had observed in the darkness that the auras of my companions were not shining as brilliantly as usual. The colors were more subdued and stayed closer to their bodies. This surprised me, but I said nothing. When we boarded the spacecraft, I assumed we were going on a trip, perhaps with a specific mission to a nearby planet. Thao had told me nothing. Our takeoff went according to normal procedures and was uneventful. I watched as the golden planet became rapidly smaller, presuming that I'd be returning in a few hours' time, or perhaps the next day. Several hours had elapsed before Thao finally addressed me again. Michel, I know you have noticed our sadness. It is very real, for there are certain partings that are sadder than others. My companions and I have become very attached to you, and if we are sad, it is because, at the end of this journey, we must part. We are taking you back to your planet. Again, I felt a twinge in the side of my stomach. I hope you won't hold it against us that we left so quickly. We did so to spare you the regrets one always has when one leaves a place one is fond of, and I know you are enormously fond of our planet and our company. It's hard not to think, this is my last night or this is the last time I will see this or that. I looked down and had absolutely nothing to say. We sat together in silence for some time. I felt heavy, as though my limbs and organs were weighted. I turned my head slowly towards Thao, looking at her surreptitiously. She seemed even sadder, and something different was missing. Suddenly, I knew it was her aura. Thao, what's happening to me? I can't see your aura anymore. It's normal, Michel. The great Thauri gave you your two gifts, the ability to see auras and understand languages, to serve as tools in your learning, but only for a limited time.